Are you a young woman aged 14 to 18 who volunteers in your community or school to make the world a better place? You don't just volunteer your time. You have identified a problem and are working on a way to solve it. Your volunteer work might be fighting drugs, crime and violence, or cleaning up the environment. Then you may qualify for the Soroptimist International of Novato Violet Richardson Award, which is named after the woman who started the first Soroptimist Club in 1921 in Oakland, California. Soroptimist means best for women. Soroptimists of Novato are accepting applications until December 2nd and will award up to $1,000, with a portion going to the organization where you volunteer. Applications can be found at the website on the screen. Questions can be directed to Vicki Campbell at 415-892-7370.